finalizing and uploading. Before we continue with the next step, we just want to remind you again that you can join the official Discord server of Lonely AstroBears Space Agency, where you can create, educate, and collaborate with fellow artists and NFT enthusiasts today. Also, be sure to like this video to let YouTube know that you enjoy what you're watching. A subscription will also go a long way, but for now, let's go back to the tutorial. Once you're satisfied with your design, finalize mo na. Ang tawag dito ay post-production. Make sure that your layers are in the correct order. Make sure mo na rin na tama yung colors na ginamit at nilagay mo sa artwork o bawat artwork na ginawa mo. If the artworks are complete, all that's left for you to do is to list sa account na ginawa natin sa OpenSea. To start, let's go to OpenSea.io. Log into your account by clicking on the profile icon and then log in with your MetaMask wallet. Pag naka-login ka na, you will see the Create button at the top right side of the screen, and this is where the listing process starts. This will prompt your MetaMask wallet to pop up and ask for your digital signature to verify na gumagawa ka talaga ng panibagong project. Click Sign so you can start working on your listing. You will see the Create New Item on your screen, and below it are the necessary parts na kailangan mo i-fill out. Just upload your image at the designated upload bin, whether it's an image, video, audio, or 3D model. After mo i-upload yung graphic, pwede mo nang simulang ilagay yung details ng art mo, starting with the name of your artwork, a link to your website or social media page if you have one, a description of your work, and if it belongs to a collection. Feel free to play around with the details of your work. For the Labsa Bear, we included traits such as the body, the color of the background, the suit, and more. May iba pang properties na pwede mong gamitin kagaya ng unlockable content if you want to add hidden freebies. And you can also indicate whether your artwork contains explicit content. Kung yung artwork mo is, alam mo na. Once you've completed all the necessary details, it's now time to determine kung gaano karami yung supply na gusto mong ilagay of the artwork you're listing. In our case, we only listed on for each bear. But for now, we recommend na one lang din muna ang ilagay mo. Finally, this is the part where you determine kung saang blockchain mo ilalagay yung artwork mo. Since napag-usapan na natin previously na Ethereum blockchain ang ginagamit sa OpenSea, you can select Ethereum as your blockchain of choice. Ibig sabihin nito, sa Ethereum blockchain mapupunta yung record ng listing mo. Pati na rin yung transaction na mangyayari once mabenta ito. But because the Ethereum blockchain requires a one-time gas fee to mint, meaning may one-time transaction fee na kailangan mong bayaran to list all your works for sale, you'll have to allocate for this. The fee varies depending sa trend ng crypto market, so we suggest that you opt for the Polygon network. Polygon is a sidechain of Ethereum where you can list your items for sale at zero fees. Better, diba? But if you have the budget, you can go for Ethereum. We highly suggest that before you start choosing which network you go for, do research on this first. Our detailed video on the blockchains are yet to come, so we can only suggest materials that you can find linked in the description below. Double check the details you provided, and once you're satisfied with your listing, click Create.